Hello, this is the Swivl recording system. So right now it's tracking me because of this device. The top has a green light which makes the marker trace me. It means it's on. I can stop at any time by pressing the center button. The red button begins and stops the recording. The first step to do is you need to accept my invite into the Swivl account. This is a cloud storage system of all of our videos. After you record and say done on the device, it uploads them to your cloud account, which then permits you to share that video with anybody because it stays stored in that cloud. But it's really a nice fit for your Canvas account. And now they can view your videos just with that link that you create from Swivl. So right now I'm recording and it's tracking me. The sound level is coming from the microphone, not the iPad. So it's much better quality than if I was just using the iPad. Then over there at my computer, I am logged into the Swivl account. So as soon as I push this red button, it stops the recording, and then I go to the iPad and I click done. It will then upload it into my Swivl account, and I'll be able to see that video appear on that cloud storage system that I signed into from my browser. First app is the Apple app. You must load that on the iPad to begin the recording. Other is the Android app on a Google Play Store that you can download on your Android. Once you are ready, you can sign into Swivl. It looks like this. Go to swivl.com, sign in. There's my credentials that once you signed in, we'll see all of your videos that you've uploaded. There's my library. I can download these to my computer to edit them, or I can simply share them directly to other individuals and put these into Canvas. Another nice thing about Swivl was as soon as I'm done and recorded the video the way I want, I upload it to Swivl. It sends me an email that says, hey, it's ready. It's been processed and now it's in the cloud, and I can share it from there and put it in Canvas at that time. Swivl is amazing. I hope you enjoy using it.